On rainy days like this, the rain from the sky will water the plants for you. You don't need to water them yourself. Just stand there and listen to the sound of the falling rain. It's truly relaxing. Along the way, whenever you see a flower, pick it up. These flowers will help restore your health as well as your energy. Today, I dug through the trash and found a can of Coke. So awesome! Today is Wednesday. This store is closed. Along the way, I picked up another bunch of wildflowers. I've picked up too many things already, and now my inventory is full. I need to go home and craft another storage chest to hold more items.